Everyone dreams about getting the balance between working life and free time right. And what if I told you it was actually possible to create a sizable income for yourself, tax-free, that you could use as a passive income source? Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can apply compound interest and investing in the stock market to create an income potentially worth £20,000 a year tax-free to you. Now, before we start, let me make it very clear, this is not financial advice for your particular situation. This is for educational purposes only. I want to share with you the principles behind how to create sizable passive incomes in your life using options available to us in the UK. Now, the principles still apply if you're outside the UK, just you might not have the tax-free element that I'm going to discuss. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I am a Christian entrepreneur and investor. I'm really passionate about helping you create ways to make money or businesses to support the life and the purpose that you have. And we use wisdom and knowledge to make that happen. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you on the computer some elements that we can use in the UK to create quite a sizable passive income. Now, it does require saving, obviously, and we're going to use the stock market to do this as well. But everything I'm going to give you is based on approximate values, and we can hit £20,000 approximately tax-free income for your household. Now, the values that I give you are based on what the maximum we can do with particular accounts and the estimate of returns in the stock market. But do not let that stop you taking away the principles in this video. Everything can still be applied depending on how much you earn and save. It's still the same theory that's there that you can apply in your own life regardless of how much you save or earn. So how do we actually create this sizable passive income? Well, it's actually investing in the stock market. Now, the moment people hear that, of course, they don't want to hear anymore, but let me explain. I first learned about the stock market, investing in it, because I didn't actually realize everyday people can do it. You see, I grew up believing that investing in companies or the stock market was very complicated, cost a lot of money, and you also had to have quite large amounts of money to do that. That's not the case in the UK and most of the world anymore. You can actually start investing even from £1 in index funds and trackers. So that's whole ranges of company, not having to pick one company. And if you're brand new to the stock market, before we go on, I'd really encourage you to check out my other videos on explaining the concepts of the stock market. You need to understand what you're investing in, how you're going to invest before we actually apply it in this video. So why not check those out? And I'm going to leave links to them in the description bar that you can go and do that first. Now, when we're investing, we have an option in the UK which is called an investment ISA. An ISA at the moment in the UK, we get £20,000 tax-free every year to invest and do what we want with. Now, in the UK, that £20,000 can be split between different varieties of ISA. We have cash ISAs, we have lifetime ISAs, different ways that you can invest it. But we're going to talk about using an investment ISA in this particular video. And why I love investment ISAs, we even have options to have this account free of charge. There's different platforms that allow you to do that. You can usually invest in anything at all you like, even crypto trackers if you want to do that. But the main thing is we are using it tax-free. So we are using our money that we've already paid tax on. It's your take-home pay that we're then going to save in investments, and then actually the government give us relief that we do not pay tax on any gains or dividends from that account. That is truly fantastic compared to all the other ways that we can save money. So anytime you take money from an investment ISA, you do not have to pay tax at the moment. Now, as I'm making this video, this is up-to-date information about how the government runs this account. If it's changed, please do check it out while you watch this video. Now, how do we achieve that £20,000 of tax-free income then? It roughly works out as £1,667 a month that you could actually withdraw from your investments tax-free every single month as income for your home. And I'm going to show you also the maths of why that is an idea that we can really grasp and use in our favour. Now, of course, it relies on, first of all, depositing the maximum we can in investment ISAs every year. The maximum amount at the moment is £20,000. Now, that's saving that amount from your household. So I know that is a huge amount of money for a lot of people, but do not let that stop you from looking at the calculations. You can do this with any amount of money that you have, but obviously the total amount of money you can achieve as tax-free income would drop accordingly. Now, we can spin this, of course, and say, okay, if we want to save £20,000 a year to use an investment ISA, what are some of the ways that I can achieve that? And that's the exciting part. I'd really challenge you. Perhaps there's even one or two business ideas that could help you achieve that you could start. We've all got gifts and talents, and this could be your opportunity to explore those so that you could put £20,000 in an investment ISA in coming years. So there's two principles that we are going to use to hit this large amount of money tax-free income for us. We're going to use compounding interest theory, and we're also going to use the rule of 72. Now, I talk about these in more depth in another video I'm going to leave in the description bar that you can go and check out. But it's essentially we are allowing the money to keep growing over time. It's then compounding. There's going to be growth from the stock market on the values. There may even be dividend payments that go into it as well. That's going to keep growing larger and larger. And over approximately 10 years, if we leave it and do not touch it, we will see that we've created this pot of money that will actually autofill accordingly, that we can take the money away and then it will top back up. Now, a couple of things to be mindful of before I show you the calculations. It's all dependent on what investment ISA you choose, what platform you're using. You want to look for one that's got very low fees, if not possible, zero fees. I've got platforms that I recommend through my experience with them and what I do with my own money that I will again leave in the description bar that you can check out. But you're welcome to go and investigate the right platform that suits you and what you want to do with it. Now, with investments, I have to say, remember, you are investing in real companies. So the day you buy compared to the day you sell are the only 2 days that matter. That being said, these values that we will give are estimates. They're there to encourage you. It's completely dependent on what the actual companies you pick, investment trackers as well. So please be aware there is risk when you invest in the stock market and companies. Your values can go up as well as down. It's completely dependent on what you pick. And the key principle from all this is it's about time in the market rather than timing the market. You see, often people think that the stock market is a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not. It's actually about picking smarter choices in the stock market that long-term will grow, and that way you can leave it as a reliable income source for you. So let me step through with you on the computer all the principles that we can actually make this happen. It involves just a little bit of mathematics, and I recommend using an online calculator so that you can see it for yourself. So there's a couple of assumptions that we need to make. I need to give this a rate of return for the investments. Now, obviously, depending on what investments you pick is going to affect the actual rate of return. Normally, people say with the S&P 500, which is the collection of the top 500 companies in the US, it's an index fund that tracks that. The past average the last 50 years has been about 9%. I'm going to, in this example, use 8% year-on-year growth. And as you see, with investments, it's far higher than what you can get in a normal bank account. And it's because you're investing in actual companies. Now, obviously, this is assuming these companies are going to grow in value every year by that value. We have to be sure of what we're picking. I'm using 8% because I believe you're going to do your research. It's your money, your responsibility to find trackers that are going to perform well for you. I can't make those recommendations for you. That's not my job. But I'm going to assume that you're going to hope for finding something at least 8% or more. Now, some index funds and trackers have way higher, some have way less. So you absolutely have to do your research. Do not take anyone's word for it. Do your research and be sure of what you're investing in and be sure that long term it's going to grow. So in this particular example, I'm going to assume that you have that £20,000 to open an account as year one. Now, I know that's a huge amount of money, keep that in mind, but we're leaving it as a goal and inspiration that at the end of the 10 years, we then have quite a large passive income that could change our monthly income amount. Now, that goal amount, do not let it put you off. Use the values that you can save and invest as a model that you can apply in your life as well. And even make it a goal. Perhaps you've got that business idea that this is going to inspire you to create. So don't be put off by the values. Use it as a motivational tool. So if we open an account with £20,000, maxing out the maximum we can put in an investment ISA right now, tax-free, 8% year-on-year growth for 10 years. And also we're going to commit to putting £20,000 every single year until it hits approximately the 10-year mark. Now, again, that's a huge amount of money. Just use the values that you can commit to instead in the approximations. If we hit calculate, it will calculate it for us. Now, as you see, over the 10-year mark, with compound interest and leaving it, not taking out investments, it is saying at end of 10 years, we have £332,909.75 approximately. They have gained over £112,909.75. Now, that is a huge amount of money to have gained as well because we're using the stock market and we're investing in things that are going to grow considerably over time. Now, the key thing is if we scroll down, this is where it gets exciting with what you're doing in the stock market as a passive income. This passive income vehicle that we have created using investment ISA, which is tax-free on the way out, we can take this money and not pay tax on it, is actually every year, approximately after the 9-year mark, it is going to top up with over £20,000. So the amount total is large enough in that investment pot that that will keep multiplying if we were seeing 8% year-on-year growth. So at the end of the 10-year mark, effectively, that pot of money is gaining over £20,000 interest every single year if we left it. Now, what you want to then do when you hit that mark is you can start withdrawing it. And that's where that £20,000 tax-free income comes from. You can effectively every year withdraw that money and it will automatically top up again to the same amount. That's the beauty of compound interest theory and the rule of 72. So we don't start to look at the total amount of investments. We see it actually as a way that we have created a passive income that we can withdraw the interest every year and live off that. Because effectively then the next year it gets topped up. Now, of course, in real life, it will differ depending on what you invest in and what the stock market has done. I like to leave a buffer. So it's then that little bit of buffer that if some years you make less, you make more, it's always topping up enough to give you approximately £20,000 a year to withdraw. Now, of course, investments are based on what those companies are doing. You may end up with far more or far less. So as you can see, over time, it can become quite a sizable passive income for you. And passive being that we don't need to do anything to make that income grow. We can leave it working in the background, do our normal day job and simply add savings to it as a priority. And then when the day comes, we want to start withdrawing money, it's there as an income source. And then if we hit large amounts, it could really make a huge difference in your life. Why I love investment ISAs in particular is because it's tax-free, but also you can usually get access to your money same day. When you compare that to a pension or some of these other products, your money's locked away for a certain amount of time. It can even be into your 60s. And that's not something I'm willing to do. I want to know that I can get access to my money right away. And investment ISAs allow you to do that in the UK, depending on what one you pick. Now, if you're living outside the UK, you can still apply these same principles. We've still got the power of compound interest and the rule of 72 working for us. You would simply then need to check out the tax in your local area. You might have tax-free options that allows you to do this video principle in your local country as well. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video. This is really a concept that changed everything for me when I realized I could make incomes passively. I didn't need to give up my time for money. And I really encourage you, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you supporting it. And you can check out my other videos as well. I talk about entrepreneurship and business ideas mainly, but I also include biblical principles. And I'd love for you to find another video that you enjoy as well. So thank you so much for watching today. I'll speak to you very soon.